the darkness of the deep sea in Surah An-Nur, verse 40.
In Surah An-Nur, verse 40, Allah illustrates the darkness at the bottom of the ocean, a profound and remarkable metaphor. This parable depicts the inner darkness experienced by those who do not receive Allah's guidance. The darkness is compared to the deep darkness at the bottom of the sea, not only dark because of the water itself, but also enveloped by layers of waves and even dark clouds covering the surface. This condition reflects how difficult it is for someone in a state of ignorance, which is disbelief or confusion, to attain enlightenment or guidance without Allah's help. Therefore, the importance of Allah's light as a guide in life is emphasized as it leads a person from darkness to the light of truth. Wisdom from Surah An-Nur, verse 40. Here is the meaning of disbelievers in darkness, and the meaning of divine guidance is essential. Human limitation is the inability to see in darkness, reflect human limitations, and the necessity for divine help. Believers versus disbelievers. The verse contrasts believers who receive guidance with disbelievers in darkness, encouraging gratitude for faith and the pursuit of stronger belief. Darkness of deep sea. Darkness, symbol of spiritual blindness, means the deep sea represents the confusion and ignorance one faces without Allah's guidance. It's a state of being lost and unable to find the right path. About layer of darkness means the verse describes layer of darkness which waves upon waves, clouds upon clouds, symbolizing how misguidance can become deeper and harder to escape from if not guided by Allah. Difficulty in perception. Just as it's hard to see in the darkness of the sea without Allah's light, it's difficult for a person to understand the truth or make correct decisions. Why do we need for divine light? The verse emphasizes that only through Allah's guidance, which means light, can a person find clarity and navigate through life's challenges. Bioluminescence in deep sea animals. First of all, light production. Bioluminescence occurs when a chemical reaction between a substance called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase produce light. This process does not require heat, meaning it is a cold light. Second, deep sea adaptation. Bioluminescence is an important adaptation for survival in the deep sea, where sunlight cannot penetrate. Around 90% of the animals in the deep ocean are believed to have some form of bioluminescence. And the last one, unique to the ocean. While bioluminescence occurs in some terrestrial organisms, it is most commonly found in marine environments, especially in the deep sea where light is scarce. For the conclusion, the darkness of the deep sea illustrates the depth of a state without Allah's guidance or hidayah, which makes it difficult for a person to see the truth. In science, we also learn that light is the source of life, helping us see and understand the world around us. Similarly, in spiritual life, Allah's guidance is the light that enlightens our heart and minds, leading us out of the darkness of confusion and misguidance toward the right path. Just as without light, we will be trapped in the darkness of the world. Without Allah's guidance, the human soul will also lost in confusion and uncertainty.